Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and today we're going to be talking about how do you get a TWIC card. So if you haven't heard of what a TWIC card is, or maybe you have, let's explain to you exactly what it is first. So TWIC actually stands for Transportation Worker Identification Credential. That's what TWIC actually stands for. Now, when do you actually need to use it? So TWIC is going to be needed in any higher security kind of locations that have to do with transportation. So simple examples are going to be airports. So since airports are definitely high security, any of those people who are like TSA, they all actually need a TWIC card to work in an airport. The other place is going to be ports. So the actual shipping ports is going to be another reason to actually get a TWIC card itself. And again, this is just the government's way to identify who you are as a worker working in a transportation industry in a very higher security kind of way. So if you're looking to get a CDL license, you might have heard somebody say, hey, you're going to need a TWIC card or something like that. Now that just simply means that's an extra step that you're going to have to take. It has nothing to do with the CDL process whatsoever, but if you want to go work at your local ports, then that is when you're actually going to need a TWIC card. So actually to get a TWIC card, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is actually go to this website below. It's going to be a government agency ran by the TSA. You're going to have to fill out the applications there, set up an appointment to actually go get fingerprints done, go through their whole fingerprint and background check process, and then it's going to take a few weeks to a few months to actually get your TWIC card up and running. Now, if you're doing this because of a job, maybe you have your CDL license currently, and you want to go work for port work. One of the cool things about port work is that most of those times it is going to be local, which means you're going to be driving to the port, picking up a loaded container and dropping it back off at some type of shipping yard or some type of holding yard that your company has. The downside with port work is that there is no rush once you actually get in there. You're dealing with union workers. They have to go at a certain pace that they're going in, which means that you actually might be waiting a few hours before you can actually go and get your actual container to get pulled back out. So as long as you know which way you're going, you can kind of speed up the process. But if you get there at rush hour, it's going to be 4 or 5 hours just waiting in line, waiting to get your container and get yourself back to the actual port itself. Alright, so those are the reasons why you would need a TWIC card, and that is exactly how you would want to get a TWIC card. Now, if you want to go and get your CDL license because you want to make a lot of money working in the port itself, then you want to go to the best truck driving school in the entire country, and that's here at Driving Academy. We're located in New Jersey, and we have franchises opening up nationwide. So depending on when you're watching this video, the best thing to do is to check out our website at CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Again, that's CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Go and check out our website and see exactly all the different locations that we currently have. Maybe we can help you out and guide you through the CDL process. So if you're interested, check out our website and fill out the form on there, and then we'll walk you through the entire CDL process and maybe even help you get a TWIC card. Thanks, and have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.